For Jess, Gishwes and the supernatural fandom are more than just fun to be part of. They provide an outlet for those struggling with mental health issues.
The internet has made a big influence on fandom culture because it has made it more accessible to people, and it makes people more connected to other people. So you can, a lot of people on who are in fandom and stuff will be isolated. If you're on the internet, you're not. You'll find about several million people who are the same like-minded thing, even if it's really random. It's escapism a lot of the time. It allows you to not focus on the negatives of the world, which is a fun thing. Well, it's fun if, yes, you don't like it, but it's a distraction that, if it's really good, like Supernatural, like Harry Potter, it can carry on to the real world, so that makes a big difference in terms of coping in general.
If you know anybody that might be going through a hard time, just please tell them to always keep fighting. Alright guys, see you later.
Supernatural star Jared Padalecki launched the Always Keep Fighting campaign, which helps those struggling with depression and anxiety. It's a campaign close to Jess's heart.
So you can stand up in line for questions, and you go to the conventions, and you go up and you say to the microphone, like, say, what's your favourite thing about being on Supernatural? Things like that. I went up to stand in the queue to ask a question, but I didn't ask him a question, I just thanked him for doing the Always Keep Fighting thing. Because I had gone through similar sort of stuff, and it just helped me out a lot. And yeah, that was nice, and I get a bit sweepy when I talk about things like this. So when I was doing that, I just broke down a tin tan a bit, especially as I was the first question of the panel. So that's a bit of pressure. But yeah, Jared's very sweet, and he came down from the stage and gave me a hug and stuff, and yeah, that was a big one. It's also about having good people around you, because some fandoms don't. They don't have good people. And if you don't have that element, then it's going to translate through the whole thing. And similarly, some fandoms are toxic because they are mainstream or they're a bit old-fashioned. And so there is a deal of negativity from within, and that attacks people's mental health and not the other way around. There was a big issue a couple of years ago, because some sites like 4chan, they like to target people. So at Christmas time, about 2 years ago, they decided that they were going to target suicide supernatural fans on Tumblr. Wasn't good. But obviously, because it's the internet, it can't be tracked very well, and people weren't aware of it because it's kind of an underground fandom and it can't be proved what's going on. It's just strange. I don't know why people do it. Yeah, it's weird.
Do you want me to stop?
That's fine.